Namaste. I hope you all are healthy and safe. So in this video, we are going to discuss about circle. So first, let us discuss the definition. Circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners and edges. As you can see, this is a round shaped figure and it has no corners and edges. And it is a 2D shape. So I'll show you one example. Like suppose I'll draw a triangle here. And this is one circle. So the triangle has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides, but circle has no corners and no sides. But circle has many different parts, such as center of the circle, or we can say radius of the circle, then circumference of the circle, arc of the circle, many more things. Let us discuss about more. So I have drawn one circle over here. You can see the middle point of the circle is called center of the circle, and from the middle point, if we'll join one line from here to the end, suppose if we label as OA, this is called radius. And from middle point, if we'll join a line from here to here, or from here to here, or from any side, these are called radius of the circle. And if we'll define as, or if we'll say the proper definition of the radius, then we can say a line segment joining from the center of the circle to any point of the circle is called radius. So such as center of the circle to any point of the circle is called radius. So, and all the measurement is same. For example, I'll measure this and I'll show you. From center, this is 4.5 centimeter. If we'll measure from this side also, this is also 4.5 centimeter. And suppose if we'll measure from this also, this is also 4.5 centimeter. From center, if we'll join any line from center to any point of the circle, that is called radius of the circle. Here I have collected different objects like a cap of a container. This is a small cap of a container and this is a bangle. So let's measure all these things. So this we need to measure all this. This is 3.3 centimeter and this one is 3.2 centimeter and this one is 4.5 centimeter. So the size of the circle depends on the radius of its circle. As per the radius, we can say this is a smaller one, this is a bigger circle, or this is a smaller circle, as you can see. Now let's discuss another part, that is called chord of the circle. The segment from any point to another point of the edge of the circle is known as chord of the circles. For example, suppose from this point to this point, I'll draw a line. Okay. From this point to this point, I'll use a ruler to draw. I'll draw a line. I'll draw a line from here to here. Okay. From middle, the line passing through the center. Suppose from this point to this point, I'll draw a line. So, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H. So we can say the line segment from one point to another point of the edge of the circle. This is the edge of the circle is known as chord of the circle. So this is called chord of the circle. So let's measure all this. This is 10.5 centimeter. This is 9.4 centimeter. This one is 15.5, I think, 15.5 centimeter, and this is more than 15.5 centimeter. So what is the difference? This is the smaller one, 10.5 centimeter. This is 15.5. This is more than 15.5 and this is 9.4. That means the line passing through the center of the circle, the bigger one, this is the bigger one chord, and this is called the diameter of the circle. So we can say the chord passing through the center of the circle is the longest chord and it is called the diameter of the circle. Let's learn more about the diameter. So already we know that from any point to this smaller one, this is called the radius of the circle. So from the center part to edge of the circle, this is called radius, and this is also called another, from this part to, suppose label this one O D is one radius and OC is one radius. So diameter is equal to 2 radius. Another thing, the diameter divide the circle into two equal parts. You can see this is one part and this is one part, and the diameter is in the middle. This is divide the circle into two equal parts. For circumference, I am going to give one example. This is a container cap. I am going to measure this. See, the thread is starting from here. I am going to take one thread away from here to here, ending point. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. So I'll hold this one and we will measure this from this point to this point. Let me mark the landing point and starting point. Now we are going to measure this. So let's measure this one. From 0 to 18.5. So the circumference of this bottle cap is 18.5 centimeter. There is a formula to find out the circumference, such as circumference divided by diameter is equal to pi, or we can say 22/7, or we can say circumference is equal to C is equal to 22/7. This diameter will come here, diameter, or as we know diameter is equal to 2 radius, so 22/7 2 r, or 2 pi r. Anything we can remember, or I'm going to prove this one also. Circumference by diameter is equal to 22/7. For that I have to give one example. I'll show you. So as you can see, I have taken 22 matchsticks here, and this is called the circumference of the circle, and this is the diameter, exactly 7 matchsticks. This is total 22 and this is exactly 7. We can count from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So hence it is proved that the circumference of the circle by diameter is equal to 22/7. With this we can give many examples like this. We can use small paper cuttings or straw cuttings, but I have taken this matchstick to show this one. So it is proved that circumference of the circle by diameter is equal to 22/7. Now come to next part, that is the arc of the circle. Arc of the circle means, suppose I'll put line check P, Q, suppose S, R. So this PQ is called the arc of the circle. This SR is called the arc of the circle, one arc of the circle. SP also, it is also called one arc of the circle. Now we'll discuss two parts like minor arc and major arc. Suppose P, one point, Q, as just now I told that this is called one arc of the circle. The smaller part, this is called minor arc, and the bigger part is called the smaller part. This is called minor arc, and the bigger part, the longer part, is called the major arc of the circle. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.